Hi, welcome to Excel Tips GH. For this work to continue, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. In our previous lesson, we were able to use formulas to calculate our car element, bringing the limit and then deciding on the charge to be added to our income in calculating our payee or our income tax. In today's lesson, we are now going to integrate it into our payroll system so that it will automatically calculate our income tax for us. So the first thing we are going to do is to insert a column over here. Okay, this one is giving us a drop down, so we have to clear all of these drop down. Data selection, no, and then clear all. Okay, so it is cleared. So this one is going to be our qualifying employment income. The qualifying employment income includes all the cash allowances and then the non-cash benefits. So this one becomes equal to this plus what we calculated here to be our charge. Enter. Now let us drag all of these down, and then it is giving us a Melnor formula, so we can add if error function, if error, and this one it should bring us 0 if there is an error. So let us drag it down and see its effect. Nice. Okay, then this one too, let us also give if error, then it should also return 0. Let us drag it down as well. In this one there is no need to make any adjustments. So when we come to this side, we've gone more than we should have. When we get to this side, we also drag it down. I think there's a problem over here. This one has given us the limits. Okay, I think this side too should be dragged down. Thank you. It has now worked. Now we need to change our chargeable income at this side. This time around it should be equal to our total qualifying employment income less the reliefs we have, and here we only have the tier 2 SNET, so equal to, then let us drag it down. Okay, so here we are. Now the next thing we have to add is our accommodation element, and I would like us to treat it in our next lesson. Thank you for watching. For this work to continue, please subscribe, like and share. Have a good day. Bye.